Hello all, welcome to C Programming Learning. In this video we will understand how to pass a structure as a function argument. For example, we are going to start with a new file. First of all, I would like to start with #include stdio.h, that is standard input output header file. Then I'll define my structure by using a struct variable and give you name as a student. So I have created a structure named as a student. Before going to the proceeding to the next program, we are going to save this file. So save file as function struct.c. So I have saved this file by name as function structure, and now I am going to proceed for my next program. So inside this struct student, we are going to put one character name, and here I am providing you the space of my character. So that is, let's not go for this much long, we'll go for a 10. So here I have given the semicolon, and then I'll give one more like integer roll number. So I'm going to write down the roll roll number and putting a semicolon. So this way I have written the, let's write down only roll number. And now I'm going to start with an function. So I'll use a void show function, in that my parameter is nothing but my structure. So this way you can pass a structure as a function argument by using struct student, and my first student is st1 student1. So here I have written my function prototype, and now inside that I'm going to start with my main function void main. So I have written void main, and inside void main what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'll declare my first student, that is struct student, and this is nothing but the st1. So here I have written st1, and now what I'll do is, let's just write down one different name here. I'll do like standard student, and first of all what I'll do, I'll print one like this is printf with the /n inverted commas, like enter student record. So this can be a heading of my output screen, enter student record. So here I have written like this with a semicolon, and then what I'll do is I'll printf one more line for, first of all, student's name. So I have written student's name, and then what I'll do is I will use scanf, and here I have used scanf with a %s, and I'll use here %s inside inverted commas. So I'll use like this, and comma, I'll ask it for std, that is my student dot name. So std dot name. So what I'll do, I have accessed my structure member here by using std dot name. Now I'll put a semicolon. Same what I'll do for the roll number. So I'm going to copy this by Control C, and I'm going to place this like this, and here I'll write down student roll number. Here the %d will be format specifier, and here it will be what we have written up there is roll number, ROLLNO. So here we have written that, and now I'm going to use a show, and then inside that I'll write down std, so student. Now here we have called the function, right? Here we have called our function. So below that what I'll do is I'll go a little down with shows, and now here my main function is got over. Now here is the time to define our function. So void show, I'm going to define my function as a parameter like struct, and then student, and then st. So this is the actual function definition, and inside that what I'll do is I'll let it go down more little so that we could see. So I'll just minimize this window like this. After that we'll take this, so I'll keep it here. You can also use this pin. So now write down a printf statement, and here I'll print slash n student name is slash n student name is, and then we will use the percentage s specifier, and in comma I will write down st dot name. So this way I have passed the arguments to the function. Same I'll do with the roll number. So I'll copy this, I'll paste this, and then I'll write down student roll number is. Now here I'll write down percentage d as a format specifier, not percentage s. So I'll return percentage d as format specifier, and now I'll write down comma st dot, here will be roll number. So roll no. So this way I have written. Now I have to complete this like this. So here we have written two printf statements, and now what I'll do is I will build this file. If build finished with 0 errors, we will run this. Now here it is asking us enter students records, but it's not going to the next line. So here we have to put again one slash n. Here also we will put one slash n, and here we have already written. So let's build and run it again. Now here it is going to the next line. So it is asking for students roll number. So I'll write down student roll number, but it has to ask the student record, student name also. So what I'll do is I'll copy this, and I'll ask first of all student's name. So I'm going to write down here student's name, and then I'll use a percentage s, and I'll put this for std, and then instead of writing that std, I'll use std name. So I'm going to type std name, and here I have to put a ampersand, because for percentage sign we need to put a ampersand. So let's build it again and run it. So it's asking student name, I'll put abc, then it will ask you roll number, I'll put 14, and if you are clicking enter, you will get that student name is abc and student roll number is 14. So what we have done here, we have used a structure to pass a function, like we are using a structure as a function argument, like we used to pass the array, we used to pass the pointers. In the same way, we have passed a structure as a function argument by creating a structure called student number, and then this way we have passed the functions arguments like this. I hope you understood a structure passing as a function argument. Thank you.